I'm Ira Maurer, founder of the Maurer Law Firm, located in Fishkill, New York, in the heart of the Hudson Valley. Welcome to our website. At the Maurer Law Firm, we represent clients who live in the Northeast region of the United States who've become victims of a serious injury due to a motor vehicle accident or some other type of traumatic event. At the Maurer Law Firm, it's our belief that every client needs to be educated about their injuries and how the legal process works. This is part 2 of our traumatic brain injury video series. Approximately 1/2 of severely head-injured patients will need surgery to remove or repair hematomas from ruptured blood vessels or contusions that cause bruised brain tissue. Moderately to severely injured patients receive rehabilitation that involves individually tailored treatment programs in several different areas: physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech and language therapy, physiatry or physical medicine, psychology or psychiatry to treat depression, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder, emotional dysregulation, adjustment disorder, and provide social support, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT for short, which involves treatment strategies that include self-monitoring, cognitive restructuring, problem-solving techniques, mindfulness training, identifying symptom triggers, proper use of medication, improving sleep habits, stress management, pain management, and regulation of anger outbursts, apathy, impulsivity, hyperactivity, and lack of social skills. Finally, permanent disabilities from a traumatic brain injury depend upon the severity of the injury, the location of the injury, and the age and general health of the individual. Some common permanent disabilities include problems with thinking, memory, and reasoning, problems with sensory processing involving sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, problems with communication, both with expression and understanding, problems with behavior or mental health, including depression, anxiety, personality changes, aggression, acting out, and social inappropriateness. At the Maurer Law Firm, we work with brain specialists to determine the extent of brain damage and the medical care and services the injured individual will need. This is especially important in closed head cases because the effects of an impact to the head may only reveal themselves over time. For this reason, you should not rush to accept an insurance settlement before sufficient time has passed and the victim has been thoroughly examined by one or more specialists who can determine what the short-term and long-term treatment needs of the TBI victim will be and cost. For more serious traumatic brain injuries, it is necessary for a life care plan to be developed by an expert to make sure that the medical treatment and financial needs of the TBI victim are properly planned for. At the Maurer Law Firm, we recommend that if you've injured your head in an accident, regardless if symptoms have shown or not, that you seek medical attention immediately. Not only is it important for your health and safety, but it can be crucial for your case when pursuing compensation from the negligent driver. This concludes part 2 of our traumatic brain injury video series. For more information, please visit our website at maurerlaw.net or call the Maurer Law Firm at 845-896-5295 to schedule a free, in-depth consultation to review your personal injury claim today. At the Maurer Law Firm, we treat your injuries and the impact they have on you and your families personally as if our own lives depend on it.